Hello, my name is Chris. This is a free lesson on Learn British English Free on YouTube. Welcome. In this lesson, I'm going to help you say some long words in English. I have examples to show you and to talk about. An important thing to know is syllables. This means like how many sounds in each word. For example, party. Party. 2 sounds, 2 syllables. Party. This is important to understand how to say these longer words. They're difficult when you learn English, so please don't worry. I will help you. Please look at the list by the video. You can read the subtitles or captions to understand more. I feel comfortable. Comfortable. No, thank you. Comfortable, please. It looks like 4 sounds, 4 syllables, but when we speak like natural speakers, we often use only 3. Comfortable. I write the phonetic transcription by the word as well. It can help you if you know about that. Please watch. Comfortable. It's difficult. F and T together. Ft in the middle. Ft. Comfortable. I feel comfortable. I feel comfortable. Next one. Memory. It's possible. Quicker is memory. Memory. I have a good memory. Do you have a good memory for English vocabulary? Number 3 is a very good one. In fact, it's marvellous. Marvellous. 2 sounds. Listen again. Marvellous. That's marvellous. Marvellous. The weather today is simply marvellous. A really important one. Chocolate. 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 I love chocolate. Number 5. Temperature. Temperature. Temperature, please. Temperature. The temperature drops in winter. 6 is like Harry Potter. Magically. No, thank you. Magically. Magically. He did that magically. Curly, clee, magically. The next one is similar. Actually. Actually. No, thank you. Actually, please. Actually. Actually. Saying actually is not so hard. The last 2 examples are the same theme. It's to do with the endings of regular verbs in the past simple or past participle. Please watch the other lesson I did about these endings and how to pronounce them. I'll put it on here for you. Collapsed? No thank you. Attached? No thank you. We don't need 3 sounds, collapsed, attached. We just need 2. Collapsed, collapsed. Attached, attached. I sent you an email and I attached a copy of the letter. Collapsed, attached. One more time for the whole list. Comfortable, memory, marvellous, chocolate, temperature, magically, actually, collapsed, attached, finished. How to say many long words in English. Please write a comment if you want to. Tell me, was it good or bad? Easy or difficult? It will be interesting. This is for Learn British English Free on YouTube, also the British English page on Facebook, and the website www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk. Please join us. I publish many free lessons. I can also teach privately on Skype or WhatsApp online. You have to pay for those lessons, but the email address is cjworkman17@yahoo.com. You can write to me. We can have some lessons together. Please look on YouTube under the video for links to other sites like Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr. We're everywhere. Thank you very much for your time. I will make another lesson soon. I will see you then. Goodbye.